Today I will share for you my project and how my progress others as well. You can watch on my screen the application UI. First, we have to log in using your email. And then system will send an email to verify login. Access your email. After clicking here, you can be redirected to the website. With limited time, I try to implement many features as much as possible. A sidebar right to screen, we have list note ordered by updated it, and we can see editor to write it down. Yes. We will clicking the button to create note. Fill some character here. The example, title, and detail, ends. And first line I define is line as title, and second line is short text is displayed here. Using tool binding of React.js. System will save automatically after 2 seconds. You write something to here. I really get many challenges when implement the feature. Begin. My intent to use the button save to insert or update note because of limited time. But after, I thought that I should upgrade them to user easier. I have lost 4 hours to debug and resolve them. My backend. My backend is SuperPay. It is really a very tool first time I work, and I will say about it later. I made some difficult with new technology and I couldn't code everything to match all the requirements. For example, I don't have any time to implement SyncCloud. I think if I have any time, I will build project perfectly as I wish. Next, we are going to support a project built by Next.js. I use some tool for development project using EnLint, Prettier, and Husky to lean before commit code. I use them in my previous project before. It is important when developing apps that have many people join. We will limit conflict code between among team members. I just made a few difficult here. For example, I use Git tool in VS Code like that. And but it doesn't work, and then I discover that I just use them in command line interface. For example, change something here. Yes. As and commit. You can see that's the release state before commit code. Okay, and after this put origin main Vercel tool is deploy my application. Project. Back to suppose a project. Project includes some folder you see on my screen, component base, routine, and some default folder of Next.js. I create two folders to write the code is component and routine. Component includes APA, logins, login UI, and create data list like this. Yes. Routine folder includes some feature, some function, and constant using on project. Client.js includes function to call API. Fetch node, delete node, insert node. And to implement Superpay, I have installed Superpay clients. And run code sample to research on self project. The most difficult in the project is algorithm to find title or shortcut to binding or lead nodes, as I said from beginner of the presentation. And the next difficult is implement feature like bold, underline, and so on. I have to search on Google for them and study how it works. My code is implement here. Its main file project. This is the function to display like that. You can see we can change title to bold, and you can see bold is change color, and after when we clicking here, the bold is detected, and the code to implement it here, file character. And after that, I find a way to connect with Superpay to insert node, fetch nodes. It takes about 2 hours to implement basically. Yeah. Yes, I was familiar with React.js syntax before, and so I don't have any difficulty to write code. After approaching Git project, I know two new tools, Superpay and Vercel. With Vercel, it's really easy to build and deploy code. My Vercel here. Yes. It is amazing. When starting, I thought that I had many stuff to do, but after researching about Superpay and Vercel, my stuff reduced half. It is amazing. After making the video, I still to continue developing project. It is really exciting and challenging. I will talk in detail about algorithm about how to choose title and shortcut binding. I think that with first element in this ether, first element. Is uh, first element in editor scope will be title. If first slide don't have anything on it, I will get element like will get next element that have content to set title similar with title K. Short text will be second element. Yes. After title element, algorithm is equivalent. At the end, I researched to make up more security by implement RTS on Superpay at the beginning. I talk easily, but I face many challenges. I haven't worked with Postgre much before, and I have to study a bit about policy and set up on SOAP correctly. After a long time, I have discovered an element successful viral video after watch video of SuperPay team on YouTube. Yes, that's the only thing I am developing. I hope you could feel more comfortable when using it. Feedback to me if you have any question or idea that you want me improve. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.